if you're in Louisville, you have to stop at Barrels and Billets. We almost passed this place by, and I'm so glad we didn't. You can actually craft your own bourbon right here, based on a flavor profile that you choose.
So here we have our 6 different Wood Series bourbons. And essentially what you can do is scan a QR code called the Bourbon Wizard. It takes you to a website where you answer 13 questions about what kind of flavor profiles you like, whether you like sweet, smoky, what kind of finish you like to your bourbon. And based on how you answer those questions, the Bourbon Wizard will actually make a custom recipe for you using these 6 different bourbons. He's got his right here. All you gotta do is put the glass right under there and we'll fill it up just a little bit more. We just hit this green button right here, and the Bourbon Wizard makes you a custom pour.
Based on a flavor profile we chose. Now, actually, my wife chose this, but as it turns out, she's a pretty good judge of bourbon because this is pretty good. We liked it so much, we customized our own bottle. You can do that. How many bottles can I get if I want?
You can get up to 12 bottles in one visit.
Per person?
Yep.
Per person. 12 bottles. Turned down for what? That's what you paid.
You can save your custom recipe so you can come back and get as many bottles as you want. You can save as many recipes as you want into your account. And from there, have you drinking.
Emma's talking, I'm drinking.
And we're on Whiskey Row, right?
Well, Main Street, right? Is Whiskey Row. Corner Main Street and what's this here?
This is 8.
Main Street and 8. We've taken a trip to the experience room, and this is what you're gonna get. This is the 6 bourbons right here that you would taste that make up your custom bourbon.
These are the Wood Series bourbons. You have 200-year oak, European oak, American oak, cherry wood, maple wood, and smoked oak. Now they all have different flavor profiles, but when you put them together, you can make a ton of delicious bourbon blends that are completely custom to you. You get a little measuring device and some blending cups.
I was going to put you on the spot and ask what that was.
Yeah, this is our ladle. And you just take whichever ones you would like to use and combine them into one of your blending cups. And you can do 4 different samples. In our pamphlets here, there's a place to write down your recipes that you come up with as you blend. And from there, you can pick your favorite one, and that is another way to get your very own custom bottle. In the experience as well, you also get to learn a little bit of bourbon history, a little bit about how we make our bourbons, and it's led by our very own guide, who is one of our bourbon experts that can teach you how to make your own blend.
This is cool stuff. And one more thing, I'm gonna talk about this too, but if you can't do this all here with your friends, you can take this home, right? This is, how many people?
So yes, this is our home party kit, and you can do this up to 8 times, or you can do it with 8 different people. Super fun to do with friends, family, at a party where you might want to just all try some different bourbons. You get 200 milliliter bottles of each of the 6 bourbons, and all the tools you need to create your own. So you get everything you see here on this placemat, plus a QR code that links to the video that you would also see one of our guides doing that same sort of presentation to you, were you to come do it live.
That's awesome stuff. One of a kind experience right here. We've been on a lot of distillery tours. Still have a lot left to go, but this is actually super cool. So, thanks for stopping. Click that thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and, well, we'll be back, and thanks, Emma.
Thank you.